Deposits and withdrawals with DupoinUK. Our deposit process is very straightforward. Once logged in, navigate to Funds on the left menu and select Deposit. DupoinUK supports both local and international bank transfers. Simply select your preferred currency and click Deposit. Then, use the following bank details to make a transfer into our client account. Be sure to screenshot your successful transfer confirmation. Next, enter the deposit amount and select your receiving account. Please note that DupoinUK does not charge transaction fees. However, your bank may apply additional fees, which could affect the final amount you receive. Upload your screenshot from your banking provider here. Double-check your details and make sure the amounts are correct. Then click Done. Your deposit will be processed within 2 to 4 working days. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our support team. Next, we'll explain the withdrawal process. Press Funds on the left menu, then select Withdraw. Select the trading account you wish to withdraw from. Then enter the amount you wish to draw out, and then choose your registered bank account. Lastly, double-check your information and then click Done. Your request will be processed within 2 to 4 working days. That's it. At any time, you can check your deposit and withdrawal progress and history here. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Dupoin, the one-stop trading platform.